Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this square. I'm making a hand purse of these squares. Like you can see, I folded these squares and made a hand purse of this. And if you want the tutorial of this purse, do let me know in the comment section. I'll make the tutorial and upload it for you. So let's start making this square. First of all, make a slip knot and chain of 8. If you want to learn the basic stitches, I have given the link of the video tutorial in the description. Please have a look. Now insert the hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch like this. Now we are going to start our first round. Make 4 chains. We will count it as a stitch. Now place double crochet stitch into the ring and 1 chain. One more double crochet stitch and chain. Following the same, we are going to make total 11 double crochet stitch following 1 chain, and in the end of the circle there will be 12 stitches in this first round. So that's how our first round looks. Now insert the hook in the first chain and make a slip stitch. Now we'll start our second round. Make 3 chains, count it as a stitch. Now we'll make 2 double crochet stitch cluster. Like this. Now place 3 chains and we'll be making second cluster. Yarn over, insert the hook and leave 2 stitches. One more time, yarn over, insert the hook and leave 2 stitches. Yarn over and leave 2 stitches. Now you can see there are 4 loops in my hook and close it. Make 3 chains and now making third cluster. Insert the hook, yarn over, leave 2 stitches, yarn over again, leave 2 more stitches, yarn over and leave 2 stitches. Now you can see there are 4 stitches in the loop and close it. Make 12 stitches in this round. That's how it looks. Now I'll be making 3 more chains and then I'll join it with the slip stitch. Insert the hook in the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Now here I am joining other color yarn. It's your choice. If you want to add another color, you can join it here or you can keep it same. Now cut the yarn. So let's start making the round third. First of all, tie the yarn. Here I am joining the black color yarn. You can choose any of your choice color. Tie it in the middle of any chain space. And now make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now join it in the next chain space with the single crochet stitch like this. Make 5 chains and join it in the next chain space with the single crochet stitch. One more time, 5 chains and join it in the next chain space with single crochet stitch. We are following the same and we'll make next 7 chains. And single crochet stitch in the chain space. Now make 5 chains, repeat this twice and then 7. Likewise we'll make 7 chains 4 times in this round and 5 chains 8 times in this round. So make 5, 7, 5, 5, 7, 5 and 5 and join it. So here we made the circle like you can see. Now join it in the chain space with the slip stitch. Now let's start making the round 4. Make 3 chains and in the next chain space make 6 double crochet stitch. We are going to make a corner in the 7 chain space. So make 6 double crochet stitches and then 2 chains and then again make 6 double crochet stitch. Here we completed our 6 double crochet stitches. Now join it with the single crochet stitch in the next chain space. Now make 5 chains and join it with the slip stitch in the next chain space. Following the same, I made 4 corners in this round. Like you can see, I made 4 corners in the 7 chain spaces and made 5 chains and joined it in the next chain space. Like this, I'm joining it here, making 5 chains, 3, 4, 5 and joining it in the next chain space with the single crochet stitch. Now here our round is completed. Cut the yarn. Now our design is complete. Now just hide this extra thread which is remaining here. I'm just taking inside of the design with the help of my hook like this. It's done. So here we completed our design. So now please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.